In the darkest moments, when the weight of the world crushes our spirit and the shadows of despair obscure our path, we find ourselves at a crossroads. It is here, in the depths of our suffering, that we must make a choice: to succumb to our destructive emotions or to rise from the ashes and forge the greatest comeback of our lives. To understand how to achieve this, we must turn to the ancient wisdom of Stoicism, a philosophy that teaches us the art of resilience, self-control, and fortitude. The Stoics, with their profound insights into the human condition, provide us with the tools to transcend our adversities and reclaim our inner peace. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, once wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." This powerful statement encapsulates the essence of the Stoic approach to challenges. When we encounter obstacles, we must not see them as hindrances but as opportunities for growth. Our struggles are not meant to break us, but to mold us into stronger, wiser individuals. Seneca, another towering figure in Stoicism, emphasized the importance of mastering our emotions. He said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." Our minds have a tendency to amplify our fears and magnify our pain. To make a triumphant comeback, we must learn to control our thoughts and not let them control us. By practicing mindfulness and focusing on the present moment, we can diminish the power of our anxieties and reclaim our inner calm. Epictetus, a former slave-turned-Stoic teacher, taught that our true power lies in our ability to choose our response to any given situation. "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters," he proclaimed. This insight is the cornerstone of Stoic resilience. No matter how dire our circumstances, we retain the ultimate freedom to decide how we will respond. This realization empowers us to transform our suffering into a source of strength and wisdom. In our journey to the greatest comeback, we must also embrace the Stoic practice of negative visualization. By contemplating the worst possible scenarios, we prepare our minds for adversity and diminish the fear of the unknown. This practice, far from being pessimistic, enables us to appreciate the present and develop gratitude for what we have. It fortifies our spirit against the shocks of fate and equips us with the resilience to endure and overcome. The Stoics remind us that we are part of a greater whole, interconnected with all of humanity. Our individual struggles are part of the collective human experience. By embracing this perspective, we cultivate empathy and compassion, both for ourselves and others. As we strive to make our comeback, we draw strength from the shared journey of resilience and recovery that binds us all. To make the greatest comeback of your life, we must embody the Stoic virtues of wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Wisdom guides us to see things as they truly are, without distortion or illusion. Courage empowers us to face our fears and act with integrity. Justice reminds us of our duty to others and the importance of fairness and compassion. Temperance teaches us to master our desires and maintain balance in our lives. In the words of Marcus Aurelius, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." The Stoic path is not an easy one, but it is a path that leads to profound inner transformation. By embracing Stoicism, we equip ourselves with the resilience to overcome any obstacle and the fortitude to make the greatest comeback of our lives. As we embark on this journey together, let us remember that every setback is a stepping stone, every hardship a lesson. We have within us the strength to rise, the wisdom to learn, and the courage to endure. The greatest comeback of our lives is not just a possibility, it is our destiny, forged in the crucible of our struggles and guided by the timeless wisdom of the Stoics. Let us rise with unwavering resolve and unyielding spirit to reclaim our lives and become the architects of our own destinies.